Hey there! Welcome to day 23 of our self-improvement journey. Today we're diving into the magic of positive self-talk and how it can transform your life. You know, your inner dialogue is like a constant companion, always there, always chatting away. But here's the thing. What you say to yourself can either lift you up or drag you down. It's time to kick those negative thoughts to the curb and replace them with powerful affirmations. Let's start with some common negative thoughts and how to flip them into positive self-talk. First up, I'm not good enough. Instead, say, I am capable and worthy of success. Feel that shift? It's like giving yourself a little boost of confidence. Next, when you catch yourself thinking, I always mess things up, counter it with, I learn and grow from every experience. This not only encourages growth, but also reminds you that mistakes are just stepping stones on the path to success. And lastly, replace I'm too scared to try with I have the courage to take risks. This affirmation empowers you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace new opportunities. Here's your activity for today. Create 3 positive affirmations that counter the negative thoughts you catch yourself thinking. Write them down and repeat them daily. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset, and you'll start to believe in your abilities more than ever before. Remember, positive self-talk isn't just about feeling good. It's about strengthening your belief in yourself and motivating action. So embrace the power of positive self-talk and watch how it changes your life for the better. That's it for today. Keep those affirmations flowing and stay tuned for more ways to elevate your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.